Appear weak when you are strong, and strong when you are weak. The supreme art of war is to subdue the enemy without fighting. Let your plans be impenetrable as night, and when you move, fall like a thunderbolt. In the midst of chaos, there is also opportunity. Victorious warriors win first and then go to war, while defeated warriors go to war first and then seek to win. There is no instance of a nation benefiting from prolonged warfare. Treat your men as you would your own beloved sons, and they will follow you into the deepest valley. Even the finest sword plunged into salt water will eventually rust. Move swift as the wind, and closely formed as the wood. Attack like the fire, and be still as the mountain. When you surround an army, leave an outlet free. Do not press a desperate foe too hard. When the enemy is relaxed, make them toil. When full, starve them. When settled, make them move. If you wait by the river long enough, the bodies of your enemies will float by. To win 100 victories in 100 battles is not the acme of skill. To subdue the enemy without fighting is the acme of skill. Be extremely subtle, even to the point of formlessness. Be extremely mysterious, even to the point of soundlessness. Thereby you can be the director of the opponent's fate. The whole secret lies in confusing the enemy, so that he cannot fathom our real intent. One may know how to conquer without being able to do it. He who is prudent and lies in wait for an enemy who is not will be victorious. Attack is the secret of defense. Defense is the planning of an attack. When one treats people with benevolence, justice, and righteousness, and reposes confidence in them, the army will be united in mind, and all will be happy to serve their leaders. Convince your enemy that he will gain very little by attacking you. This will diminish his enthusiasm. Ultimate excellence lies not in winning every battle, but in defeating the enemy without ever fighting. To secure ourselves against defeat lies in our own hands, but the opportunity of defeating the enemy is provided by the enemy himself. Move not unless you see an advantage. Use not your troops unless there is something to be gained. Fight not unless the position is critical. It is easy to love your friend, but sometimes the hardest lesson is to learn to love your enemy.